Welcome back, guys. Today I want to show you how you can install Windows 11 on your laptop or desktop. So let me start it, guys. The first thing we need to navigate to or surface to the place the Microsoft Windows 11 download. We're looking for the first one. Just sure this is the right address, okay? So click in download. I want to create the Windows installation media, okay? In the meantime, we need to install a software we need to use, which is Rufus download, okay? That you can use for many applications, but in that case, we need to create the USB memory. So we look for the installer, normally here in the bottom. So that's the last version. Standard portable, so we do that one. And it will install. Okay, guys. We started. We want to install the version 25H2. So we're looking for create Windows 11 installation media. That's the best way to do it. And that way we're using the memory every system we need it. We need to at least a USB 8 gigabyte of space. So let me start the process now to download. So media creation tools. Open. That will be open soon. Let me close this one. That's it. English Windows 11. If this is for your computer laptop, is it for another one, you can select different language here, okay? So next, that was the ISO file we needed. We put it 20 Windows 11 25H2. And we put in download. All this depends of your internet speed, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, guys, to the channel. That helps us a lot to continue growing and make more better videos for you guys. Okay, guys, they're doing verification. Okay, guys, so it's finished. So now we need to open Rufus. We can continue for there, okay? So we're looking for Rufus. I already downloaded Rufus. Here, double click. Then you need to insert your USB. Then you look for select your ISO, that one, open. You can put a Windows 11 25H2 and we started. So here is when I said we can configure this one, remove requirement for 4 GB RAM, remove requirement for online account. We can create automatic an account. In that case, up to you if you want it. Set the regionals, is up to you. Disable build local, that's good. You basically only need these 3. Say okay. Then okay, and we wait until they're finished. Okay guys, when it's finished, you just need to close the Rufus, remove your USB, and boot your computer or laptop using the USB stick. Okay, that's all. If you don't know how boot your computer, leave the comment in the comment area, and we're happy to help you to find the right procedure for you. See ya next time. Bye bye.